Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests. On Uber app, we click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Uber app and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete. We click on clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us.